To replace the blower tube cable clip on your leaf blower, first detach the clip to release the cable, if still intact. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to loosen the screw clamp securing the flexible blower tube to the elbow tube, and remove the tube. Release the old cable clip and remove it from the screw clamp. Install the new cable clip by positioning it on the right side of the screw clamp. Position the clamp on the flex tube. Reattach the tube to the elbow tube and tighten the clamp. Secure the cable in the new clip.